Hello everyone and welcome back to Techavro. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can hide subscriber count on YouTube. So first and foremost, you want to head over to your YouTube studio. Once inside YouTube studio, you want to click on settings, which is located in the bottom left side, right above send feedback. Click on settings. Once you're inside settings, you want to click on your channel. Then once you click on channel, you want to go to advanced settings. Now inside advanced settings, you're gonna see hide subscriber count right above advertisement. But over here, as we can see, we only see automatic captions. And that is because my channel has 0 subscribers. Normally, you would need to be quite a bit popular, like maybe 1,000, 2,000. It really depends. It's up until you get monetization. Once you get monetized, you're able to hide your channel count. Until then, yeah, it's not really possible. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.